Hi, welcome to Cyrenians and Dragon Arts. Today we're going to be looking at text formatting. Task 1. Firstly, type out all the sentences below in Microsoft Word. Make sure you add the numbers before each sentence. Use the number tool if you can, if not, just type out the number. Once you've typed out the sentences, go back and change or format each line and state it by each line. All of the formatting can be done in the Home tab of Word. So there's your example. Change the word tree to green and the font style to Comic Sans. So number 1. Change the font style in this line to Arial. So I've highlighted the text, gone up to the font style, and I'm just looking for Arial, and there you go. Number 2, underline the words underlined in this sentence. So I've highlighted underline, gone up to the U, and selected the other one, my left click and drag, click underline, and there it goes. Number 3, make this whole line bold. So I've gone and selected it, clicked on the B. Number 4, very similar, highlighted, clicked on the I for italics. Change the font in this line to Century and make the font size 20. So I've gone into font, I'm looking for Century, still got the font highlighted, I'll just go straight into font size, and there's font size 20. Number 6, cut and paste the whole line so it becomes number 7, and the line on number 7 becomes number 6. And then again number 7, this line should now be number 6, use cut and paste. So I cut and paste it there, and there you go, you can see it pasting into number 7, but I've got a gap. So I'm going to use backspace to make sure that's corrected so it stays at number 8. Number 8, change this font to Palantino and add the shadow text effect. So again, highlight the font, I'm going down looking for it, there's the font style, and then there's the A, and I've gone into it, lots of different styles here, and I've picked a shadow in the particular one, it's fine. Number 9, center this line so it is in the middle of the page and make the font size red. So I've gone and highlighted it, put it in the middle, and change the font style to red. Number 10, change the font in this line so it is right justified, highlighted it, clicked on right justified. Number 11, make the font size font at 20 cents in the sentence, Times New Roman, and font size 9. There we go. Number 12, increase each word in the sentence by 1 point from left to right, starting with size 8. So I'm going to highlight each word. So I've started with increase, highlighted it, gone to font size and started with 8. Skip the word, because it's each other word, so I've gone to other, highlighted that one, made it 10, and so on and so forth. The sizes that are not there, for example 13, 15, you can click in on the text itself and type in the exact font that you want size, that you want. So I think that one was 13 there, and then going on to the next one, 14, again, because 15 isn't there, I'm going to have to go up, click in to the font, and make sure that it says 15 rather than 14. There we go. I've changed the font myself rather than relying on what's already there. And the last one is 16. And number 13, make every word in this sentence a different font. So I'm going again, highlight it, left click and drag. Might take some practice, but you'll be used to that one. And I've gone into the font, and I'm just picking any random font, but 5 or 6, however many words are in the sentence, different fonts. So left click, highlight, into the font, pick a different one. Left click, highlight, gone in, pick a different font, Comic Sans, I think I choose in the end. And again, left click and highlight. You don't have to go from left to right, you can go from right to left, it doesn't matter, I just prefer going left to right. And again, into font style, pick a different one. Update the font style, bring down the drop down, have another search, and then there's the last one. Number 14, underline every word in this sentence, or every other word in this sentence. So again, I've gone with every, highlighted, clicked underline, skip the word, underline, and underline again. Change the color of this font in this line to blue, so all of them is highlight the entire text and clicked on the font style and change it to blue. 16, highlight this line in yellow, so I've highlighted it and then highlighted it again, so I've got the yellow and the green, I've changed the color. On the last one, change the line spacing between the two lines to line spacing 2, so I've gone up to the line spacing icon, selected the number 2, and once you've done that, congratulations, you've now completed the task and you should have a better understanding of formatting in Word.